Hi everyone. So this is the last one for today, and tomorrow I'm taking a day off because I want to do some work in the house. Yes, window cleaning, washing, you know the drill. The stuff we dread the most that takes away from our art time. I had a little fly buzzing around here. Okay, so I have my colors. Oops, a little sticky here. I have some colors mixed up. Turquoise, a lot of bubbles in this one. Bluish turquoise, a yellow, and an orange. And I'm gonna put some silicone in here. This time I'm gonna use the Vallejo silicone. So a couple of drops in each color. That'd be enough. And we're gonna stir it in. There's a lot of bubbles, but we'll see what happens. Okie dokie. Alrighty. So let's start with the light turquoise. Then lots of this beautiful sienna. A little bit of dark turquoise. Lots of orange. And lots of yellow. And we're going to top it off with sienna color. This time I am going to give it a little swirl. Don't know if it's going to do much, but we'll see. And I have enough to fill the cup again if I don't have enough paint. There we go. Zippity. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay. That turned, what's left in the cup is pretty ugly, but we'll see what happens here. Got my palette knife ready because I want to make it go over one side because I don't want to really tilt all over the place. Now I'm going to fill it again because I'm missing a lot of that turquoise that I like so much. So I'm going to put turquoise over here. Of course, I'm going to put in a little of that sienna. Give it a little swirl. And a little bit of, I think, orange. Okay. Swirl it up. And here we go. That's pretty. Making it go over the side. And now I'm going to wait for it. That is nice. Let's torch it. First I want to get rid of the little bubbles. And then I'm going to torch it for the cells. Not sure what I'm going to do with this one because I thought I'd want to make something for a background, but then again, not working out as a background. There's too much definition in here. I do see a little thing swimming in here. Gotta take that out. Move it over the corner. we are. Now I'm thinking I'm not really liking it that much. I do like this little bit down here, but this big bit I don't like. So let's do another. Pour on top of it. And we'll make it move real fast. That looks a bit better. That is a real dramatic thing, isn't it? Let's put a little paint on here. No, not glue. When you have to do the corners, you really should match the paint a little bit, or you're gonna get just way too much difference, and then you'll see that you've added it later. You don't want to do that. Do the corners. That one is okay. That one is okay. Okay. But I want to do some experimenting with this. So what I'd like to do is what I told you guys yesterday with a piece of string. But I'm not sure if I have string, so I might have to stop the video, get some string, and then do my... Oh no, I have a chain. Okay, I had a chain, but my husband cleans everything up and he forgets to tell me where he put it. That is really, sometimes I really can't stand that. Don't tell him I said that. Okay, I'll have to turn it off for a bit. Be right back. Okay, we're back. Now, what I was thinking about, that was what I was telling you guys. I thought about putting something in the paint like this and then just pulling it. Ew. There's a lot of paint on the string. Keep having to clean the string. Not ready yet. Okay, let's see if that seals up a little bit. No, not really. I think it's the paint though. I won't tell you what paint this is. Well, there is a reason that I don't use this paint anymore. It's the Amsterdam acrylic paint. I thought I'd just use some of it because I don't want to throw it away. That's a waste. But as you can see, it does stuff that I really don't like. It gets really mixed up really fast. I just want to make a lot of these patterns. Okay, let's level it out a little bit. That is kind of crazy. Let me look at that. Oops. Do want it to move a little bit, making it extra chaotic. Sometimes you just want to do this, you know, just, I don't know, just want to waste some paint. But in the event that you get something really pretty, see how it's flattening out now? I really like it. I'm sorry guys, but I really do. I love it. So let's be careful. Got a little bit of canvas showing here. And a little bit down here. I think it's beautiful. I bet you're laughing with me. Because I don't know, it just has something that really does it. I don't know why. No, I can't tell you why, but just the total chaos. And this is going to be cool if I put some metallic on it later. Let me, that's a little air bubble that I want to get rid of. But here where the orange and the sienna comes together, that is awesome. I have some here, there, down here, up here. So it's coming together, but I see a little bit of canvas on that side. Be careful. I really do like it. I bet you guys are thinking I'm crazy, but maybe someone else likes it too. Who knows? I need some yellowish paint. Let's see if I got some. Yeah. This you have to fix right away, guys. You don't want to do this when it's dry, or you'll absolutely see what you've done. So when you do the corners, pick some paint up that really corresponds with the paint that's on there. That's cool. Okay. I'm going to let this dry because I really like it. Can't help it. I do. And you know what? If I didn't like it, I'd tell you. But let me get you in close and in focus. Is that crazy or what? But I do think, you know, tilting it after I put the string through it to make it more chaotic sort of really did it. I like it. Get in focus there. See that, what I was talking about, that where the sienna comes through? That is beautiful. Well, I'm glad it worked out like this. So I'm going to put this one away. Oops, I see a little where it needs a little bit of paint here. Put a stripe through it. Gotta watch out that you don't see canvas. There's a little canvas showing down there, but I'll fix that too. I hope I don't drop it. That'd be just... Okay, that's gonna do it. Whoops. That's okay, now you can't see it. Okay guys, this was it for today. Tomorrow's a day off. So I'll be thinking about you guys. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna do one video more about how you search the channel. I get so many questions about some videos that I have or have not made. So I'm going to do one more behind the computer, and I'm going to show you guys, well, the new people, how to find the videos I make. Okay? Love you all to pieces. Have a beautiful Sunday and go make some beautiful art. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.